let's see how to make a slip stitch. So we hold the yarn through the pinky finger and index finger, and then grab the pieces. And we can see this is the first stitch that we mark a stitch marker, and this is the last stitch. So we want to connect this, the first one and the last one together. Take off the stitch marker for the first stitch, and then put your hook into the first stitch. You can see the V-shaped first loop, and then yarn over, and you can see the hook is grabbing this yarn, pull through the loops, and now we have 2 little loops on the hook. And then next, continue to pull this loop through the second loop, and now we've finished the stitch, slip stitch.